In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare assets, overlaying charts in TradingView. By the end, you'll know how to open the full charting workspace, add a second asset, decide how it's displayed, and fine-tune the look so your comparison is clear and useful. Start by heading to tradingview.com. On the home page, open the products menu at the top and select Supercharts. This takes you into TradingView's full-featured chart interface, where all the comparison tools live. Look to the upper left area of the chart window for the ticker box. This is where you set your primary symbol. Click it to change the asset you want to analyze first. Type a symbol or name, then select it from the list. After you make your selection, the chart will load that asset so you have a base to compare against. Now add your comparison asset. Click the plus sign icon near the ticker area. This opens the compare dialog. Here you can search for the second asset you want to overlay. When you choose it, you'll see options for how the comparison should appear. You'll see 3 display choices. Same percent scale shows both assets normalized by percentage change from a common starting point. This is excellent for comparing relative performance over time, even if prices are very different. New price scale overlays the asset on the same chart area, but gives it a separate price axis on the side, which helps when both instruments are priced in different ranges, but you still want them on one pane. New pane places the comparison in its own subchart underneath, keeping each with its own space and scale for maximum clarity. Once you've selected your comparison and display mode, close the pop-up window. Return to the chart, and you should now see both assets. Color coding helps tell them apart, and if you used a separate scale or pane, you'll notice distinct axes or panels, making the relationship easier to read at a glance. You can refine the comparison anytime. Click directly on the comparison label on the chart, then open Settings. Inside the Settings panel, use the Inputs tab to adjust core details such as the selected symbol or calculation basis. Move to the Style tab to change the line type, thickness, and color so each asset is visually distinct and easy to track. Then check Visibility to control which timeframes the comparison appears on, keeping your workspace clean when you switch between intervals. That's it. You've opened Supercharts, set your primary asset, added a comparison, chosen the ideal display method, and customized the look for clear, confident analysis.